Alright guys, so as expected, today Apple has officially released iOS 26.4 Developer Beta 3. Now, aside from iOS 26.4 Beta 3, Apple also released iPadOS, WatchOS, and visionOS 26.4 Developer Beta 3, all available to download to registered developers. Now, public beta testers, as per usual, you'll most likely see this populate for you within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, I'm currently traveling, but I wanted to get on here quickly to cover this beta. You see there the download a little over 1 gig. If we head on over into settings, general, about, and tap into the iOS version, you see there the latest build number. Right there it is, ending with the letter F, which means we still have plenty of betas to go. Perhaps 2 more betas, RC, and then official release. But either way, I wanted to cover this one for you guys. Again, iOS 26.4 Beta 3. There's a lot to talk about here because Apple has also officially announced new products today. Starting with a brand new iPad Air, today Apple has officially announced the next generation iPad Air, and it looks identical to the previous generation, and that is because all the upgrades are happening internally. Apple's M4 chip is now powering the iPad Air for better performance. Apple has also increased the RAM from 8 gigs to 12 gigs of RAM. The N1 wireless chip is inside for better Wi-Fi performance and Wi-Fi 7 support. And if you get the cell-connected model, you also get Apple's C1X modem. This is their next generation modem for better network performance and reliability. So yeah, nice spec bump here. Now today, Apple also announced the new iPhone 17e. It will be available for pre-order starting March 4th and in stores on March 11th. It will be available in 3 colors, black, white, and soft pink. Now, it will be featuring Ceramic Shield 2 for improved durability and scratch resistance. The base storage has been upgraded from 128 to 256 gigabytes for $599. The rear camera is a 48 megapixel fusion camera. We also have the Apple A19 chip powering this device alongside the C1X modem for 5G connection and reliability. And Apple has finally brought MagSafe support to the E lineup. Last year, the 16e did not support MagSafe, but the new iPhone 17e supports MagSafe wireless charging and of course MagSafe accessories. So a pretty solid spec bump. Now if you want to grab the wallpapers available on the iPhone 17e, I'll link this in the description down below for the color black, the white, and the color pink as well. Again, links will be available in the description down below. Now let's talk about iOS 26.4 Developer Beta 3 and what are some of the key changes happening here. So now the first thing I want to talk about is new emoji support. Now with iOS 26.4 Developer Beta 3, Apple has technically added support for the new emojis, but let me show you what that looks like here. So let's go into the emoji keyboard. You may notice that the placeholders are actually question marked. We don't have the actual images for the new emojis, but the new emoji support is definitely here with the 3rd beta. Now obviously with future betas, this will actually have the images. Kind of funny to see that, but yeah, it looks like the placeholders and support for the new emojis is coming with iOS 26.4, and the 3rd beta definitely adds the support. We just don't have the images within the software just yet. Now I've also noticed that the software feels a lot smoother. Liquid glass and also even the App Store. Remember I talked about the App Store would take forever to load, like 5 to 10 seconds. Now it just flows very nicely and everything is loading rather quickly. So yeah, it looks like Apple is fixing and polishing up the software, but for some reason they couldn't add those emojis. Now iOS 26.4 Developer Beta 3 adds support for sharing messages from the fitness application. Code within the software is referencing a new feature that could be coming to the fitness application with this next update as well. The 3rd beta directly references a new shared messages from the fitness app. Now to be honest, there's not a whole lot to talk about here with this 3rd beta. Now we know that Apple has fixed the App Store loading issues. We also know that Apple has added the emoji support. And for those of you asking about the reduced highlighting effect under display and text size, it appears that this one is not working on the 3rd beta. So Apple added it with beta 2. It's still not working in beta 3. So there's a lot to go here. Apple still has plenty of betas to address a lot of issues with the software. So I'll keep you guys posted if I find any additional new features and changes, and obviously I'll update you guys with another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.